Hey guys, it's your girl J Nicole and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be baking a chocolate cake. So stay tuned. I guarantee you're going to love this recipe. Our ingredients are here and shown in the description below. So I'm old school, y'all. I'm going to butter and flour my pan every time. I know sprays are out there, but I'm not using it. So what I'm doing here is I've buttered my pan. I'm adding a little flour. I'm going to pop that flour around the pan a little bit. And eventually I'm going to come out with a light coating of flour on top of the butter. And it's going to be all well in my soul. Remove any excess flour by tapping the bottom of the pan and emptying that excess into the sink. All right, so now we're going to make our chocolate base. We're going to have 2 sticks of butter. We're going to add that to our saucepan here. We're going to also add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And eventually you're going to see me add in 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of coffee, as well as 2/3 cup of milk. All right, so we're gonna set our heat at medium high and we're gonna whisk that mixture around, honey, until that chocolate looks silky smooth, because we need a silky smooth base to work with, all right? And after that, you're gonna set that aside for later. All right, and now we're ready for our dry ingredients. Here, I am adding 2 cups of cake flour, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda into my strainer here. And I'm gonna sift all of those ingredients together into that bowl. I'm gonna make sure I sift it real good. The goal is to remove any lumps and things like that could cause your cake to just have a weird texture. So make sure you sift very well. And so after I sifted, I stirred up the dry mixture a little bit with a whisk. And now I am forming a well at the center of the mixture here for my chocolate base to go into. And ooh, look at that chocolate base going into that mix, baby. It looks good already to me. So you empty about 2/3 of the chocolate mixture into your bowl, and then you whisk. You whisk and you whisk and you whisk some more. You make sure that you start to feel those ingredients come together. And once you feel that the ingredients are almost combined, you pour the remainder of the chocolate mixture into the bowl and you whisk some more. You don't want to over mix, but you do want to get your mixture to where it is very smooth and not extremely lumpy. Now grab those 2 eggs and add those to the mixture and whisk some more. Make sure those eggs get well incorporated. All right, y'all, so I've added my 1/2 cup of sour cream, and now I'm pouring in my vanilla extract, and I don't measure. I pour until my heart is content, and it's now content. So I am mixing it all up, not over mixing, because I want to make sure that my cake stays light and moist and fluffy and gets that nice rich sour cream flavor in it. So I'm just going to mix until incorporated, and that's it. And now our batter is ready to go into the Bundt pan. So we're going to go ahead and add this to the Bundt pan. It's looking so good. We're going to go ahead and add that in there, and we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so, or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. All right, so this is what you get after baking for 35 minutes. It looks amazing. So I waited 15 minutes to cool, and now I'm flipping it over, and voila, it looks so great. It didn't stick or anything. So now we can move on to our chocolate ganache. So you'll add 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips to a bowl, and then we're going to work our way back over to the stove because we got to heat up some heavy whipping cream, about 4 ounces of that, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And so here I'm just mixing it up just until the sugar dissolves and the heavy cream gets a little warm, pretty warm. And then I'm going to pour that heated heavy cream over my chocolate chips. And then I'm going to stir until I get a very, very, very good, silky smooth chocolate ganache. This is what you want to see. All right, guys, now, oh my gosh, this is the shot right here. This chocolate being drizzled all over this cake. Oh my gosh, if you are a chocolate lover, this should drive you crazy. I'm telling you, this is an amazing cake. You're gonna love it. Try the recipe, I promise. All right, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified of any future uploads. Let's stay connected. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.